at the moment, you see, due to, I think, ignorance, the Tibetan Buddhist culture very much damaged. So there is real danger of extinction of Buddhist culture. In the eyes of local Chinese authority, the cultural heritage of Buddhism is just taking rosary and recite some mantra and then go, korwa, going around, and then prayer wheel. This is not just a tiny part of Buddhist practice. The real Buddhist practice is through meditation, and analytical meditation. You see, have to use brain very much. So for that, study is very important. But you see, the local authority do not understand. You see, the basic Buddhist concept. Actually, the modern science, as far as I know, they, as a result of my meeting with some scientists, mainly from the West and also some Chinese, that they in the field of cosmology and neurobiology, and then subatomic sort of physics, and like the quantum theory, and then also the psychology. In these four fields, the Buddhist contribution can make in these four fields. So when I had this opportunity meeting with scientists from these fields, once we started discussion in depth, then you see these scientists, you see, showing keen interest because they find, you see, new way to look in their concerned subjects. And to Buddhists also, you see, the latest finding in these fields from scientific research is very helpful to us. So therefore, the Buddhism is not just this mere sort of prayer or the so-called meditation, doing nothing. Not that kind of tradition. So therefore, at the moment, no proper teacher, no proper sort of facility for study. So there is real danger now at the moment. So therefore, those big monasteries and temple like Potala, now it become like museum, where is that culture now is showing. So these are really unfortunate. So therefore, I'm very much concerned about the situation of Tibet, the Buddhist cultural heritage, which I think in some extent, I believe the Buddhist cultural heritage can make a contribution for humanity as a whole, in order to develop the proper sort of attitude towards oneself, towards other fellow human being, towards other sentient being, towards environment.